I'm looking at building my next house instead of buying an existing home. Is there an insurance policy for that? Of course. It's called a builder's risk policy and it covers construction from the ground up. How do I know how much to cover it for if it's not built yet? We normally use the estimated cost of construction and then add just a little bit of wiggle room because these things tend not to stay on budget for very long. Does it have liability coverage too? Sometimes, but not always. If you're building your home, then the liability section from your homeowner's policy will extend to the new house under construction. But if you're building something like an office, you're going to need to add that to the liability section of your commercial policy. Does a builder's risk policy cover damage from a flood? It doesn't. You're still going to need a separate policy just for flood insurance. In this case, we're going to need an elevation certificate that's called an as-built elevation certificate that's based on the architect's plans. Will I need a homeowner's policy and a flood insurance policy once the construction's done? Yes, once you get your certificate of occupancy, you're still going to need a homeowner's policy after that. The flood policy, however, will convert to a regular flood policy once construction is complete. What's a home under construction policy? Well, it's not available to everyone everywhere, but you can talk to your agent about getting a home under construction policy, which is just a homeowner's insurance policy that covers the construction and then once it's finished, converts to a regular homeowner's policy. How do I get one? Ask your agent. We're here to help.